Imagine this. It's been just 2 years since you proudly installed that solar system to chase away Kenya's endless blackouts. No more KPLC bills draining your wallet. No more midnight dashes for kerosene. You're powering your fridge, charging phones, even running a small shop from home. Life feels unstoppable. Until it doesn't. Suddenly your lights dim, your inverter buzzes like an angry bee. And there it is, the culprit, your solar batteries. They're gasping their last breath. Sound familiar? If you're one of the thousands in Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, or the Rift Valley relying on solar, this could be your story in 24 months. But here's the game changer. It doesn't have to be. Today, in the next 3 minutes, I'm pulling back the curtain on what really happens to your solar batteries after 2 years in Kenya's brutal sun, and why smart Kenyans are ditching the drama for power that lasts. Stick with me. Your future self will thank you. Let's start with the old school choice. Gel or lead acid batteries. You know the ones, affordable up front, right? That 200 amp hour deep cycle you snagged from the local market for under 20,000 Kenyan shillings. They seemed like a steal, but fast forward 2 years. Kenya's heat averaging 30 degrees Celsius daily and is a battery's worst enemy. These lead acid warriors start sulfating inside, their electrolyte turning to mush. Capacity? It plummets from 100% to a measly 50 to 60%. You're lucky if they hold a charge overnight. End of life hits hard and fast. Leaking acid that corrodes your inverter, swollen cases bursting in the humidity, and toxic fumes if you're not careful. Recycling? A nightmare in rural Kenya. Most end up in landfills leaching lead into our soil. I've seen families in Eldoret pour thousands more into replacements every couple years. It's not savings, it's a trap. Your solar dream? Fading faster than a matatu in traffic. But what if I told you there's a better path? Enter lithium-ion batteries, the marathon runners of solar storage. Installed right, these bad boys laugh at Kenya's climate. No liquid to leak, no heavy metals to worry about. After 2 years, they're still humming at 90 to 95% capacity. We're talking 10 to 15 years of peak performance, with over 4,000 charge cycles before they even think about slowing down. Why the difference? Lithium's smart chemistry. Lithium iron phosphate cells, to be exact, handles deep discharges without drama. They self-balance, cool efficiently, and pair perfectly with MPPT controllers for max efficiency. End of life? Graceful fade-out, easy recycling, and zero toxins. In places like Thika or Kaisi, folks with lithium setups are powering homes and businesses without a hitch. More energy, fewer headaches, and bills that stay low. It's not just power, it's freedom. So why wait for your batteries to betray you? Don't gamble on short-term fixes. Join the thousands who've upgraded to reliable solar that works anywhere in Kenya, from urban apartments to off-grid Maasai villages. That's why, after watching this, most viewers fire up their phones and contact Power Africa Solar. They're the pros turning Kenya's sun into unstoppable power. At powerafricasolar.com, snag top-tier lithium batteries, custom installs, and systems built for your life. No guesswork, just results. Call us today, Nairobi office, 079-224-7397 or 07947165562. Kisumu office, 0792245589 or email us, info@powerafricasolar.com. Mention this video for a free solar installation quote. Your solar story doesn't end at 2 years. It begins. Reach out to Power Africa Solar. Reliable power awaits. Here's to lights that never go out.